everyone, this is the fourth lecture of technology. Welcome start to. Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome to another existing episode of Tech Chronicle where we dwell into the ever evolving world of technology. I am your host, your name, and today we are going to explore the frontiers of innovation from the last breakthrough the fantastic trends shaping our digital landscape. Our journey being with artificial intelligence, a force that transforming industries and reshaping that world. We live from virtual assist to advanced machine learning. Elegant AI is making work across various sectors. Take chatbot for example. They are becoming more intelligent and engaging, provide professionalized experience in customer series and beyond. The future of AI hold tremendous potential. We are pushing the boundaries of what machine can do for natural language processing to complex decision make. As we continue our explanation, let's take about 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology. It's not just about faster advanced speed. It's a game changer for connectivity. 5G is not a just an upgrade, it's a platform for innovation. We reduce the latency and increased bandwidth. We are unlocking possibilities for augmented relativity, smart cities, and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or lot is connectivity. Our world is where we never imagine. Smart homes image a world where your home and spares your need, adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. Now let's dive into the quantum realm. Quantum computing is push the boundaries of classical computing, open new door for solving complex problem at unprecedented speed. Quantum white or qubit enable parallel allowing us to the task problem that were once considered unsolved. Its revolution is information processing. With great technology environment come the need for robust curbs security as our life become more connected. Safeguarding our digital assist become paramount. For some attack the public scheme, the digital landscape is rife with threat. We must stay delicate and embryo advanced security measures to protect our data. And there we have it, a glimpse into the exist frontiers of technology from AI, the quantum computing, the innovation, and shaping our futures. As we continue to embrace technological marvel, let's remember the navigate these digital frontiers responsibilities. Until next time, this is your name singing of stay or course and tech saying. The Internet of Things of Lost is connecting our world in a way we never imagine. Smart homes image a world where your home, your need, adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. Now, likewise, into the quantum realm, quantum computing is push the boundaries of classical computing, opening a new door for solving complex problems and unprecedented speed. Quantum bytes and qubit enable parallel competitions, allowing us the tackle problem that were once considered unsolved. Its revolution is information processing. With great technological advancement, comes to need for build crowd security. As our life become more connected, stay guide our digital assist become paramount.